How do they be doing that? Like, how do they be like,
found out that you bad for me. I found out that you had someone.
what's good, man? We already know who it is. It's like, ooh. So I had no plans on making this video, but I just got some new products and thought I should record it. Why not, man? So I'm gonna take you guys. Oh, the light is starting to go away already. I'm gonna take you guys over there so you can see the products that I just got. It's not a lot, and yeah, I'm probably about to use most of them tonight. So yeah, let's get it popping. But wait, before I do that, let's. Oh, this thing is trash. This is day 2. It's not that bad, but you know. Thank you. AC finally just went off. Let's get this video popping for real. All right, man. Oh, wait. Oh, you see that? I mean, you guys have already seen this before. I just ordered another one of these, you know. Paycheck wasn't looking too good, so I had to get a mini version, you feel me? And then I also just got, I've never used this before, but my brother has used it before and he said it was good, so I'm trying it for myself because I'm almost out of my leave-in, which you guys should know is if I still even have any. Oh my gosh, just leave-in Mitch Chicks leave-in. So yeah, and then I ordered this, which I should probably open. This, hoping it can fit my problem that you guys know about, and if you don't know about it, hopefully I'll be making a video on that soon. If this helps, you know, maybe it won't, I don't know. And now for this box, don't need to blur out an address because this is my campus. This is about to take much more than I thought it would. This video is so unprofessional. I apologize. I'm very late to the game. First of all, guys, I don't even use gel that much, but this thing was like, hold on, let me show you guys how much this was. I got 2 of them. Yeah, I'm actually giving this one to my friend, but let me show you guys. Make sure you see how much this was. The big thing was $5. The little joint was $3. Aside from shipping, it was very inexpensive, and I had a student discount. But if you're buying products online, I really suggest that you go to Pharma Packs because, oh, did they spell my name wrong? Oh my god. So yeah, I'm probably about to try all these products out and then come back and give a review eventually. I don't know when. I can't make any promises. Ooh, y'all see this? Oh my gosh, man. Wow. Sheesh, y'all better watch out, man. Y'all better watch out. Yo.